In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook page location. Keeping your page's location accurate helps people find you, get directions, and trust that your business details are up to date. I'll walk you through the exact path to update your address and fine-tune the map pin so it lines up perfectly with your physical spot. I recommend doing this on a desktop web browser for the clearest layout, and make sure you're signed in with a profile that has permission to manage the page. Start by opening Facebook in your browser and logging in. Once you're in, switch from your personal profile to your page. Click your profile photo in the top right, choose See All Profiles, and select your page from the list. If you manage several pages, take a second to confirm you've picked the right one. You'll know you're viewing the page when you see the page's cover image and the management controls across the top. Next, open the About area for your page. Depending on your layout, you might see an About tab directly, or it may be tucked under a More menu. Either way, the goal is to get into the section where your page details live. Inside About, head to Contact and Basic Info. This is where Facebook stores your address and other contact details. If you've never added an address before, you'll see the option to add one. If you're updating what's already there, you'll be able to edit it. Click Add/Edit Address, then type in your full address. Include the street, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Use the official formatting your customers expect to see on receipts or your website. If Facebook suggests a standardized version of your address, choose the one that precisely matches your location. Avoid abbreviations that might confuse the map system, and include suite or unit numbers where applicable. After entering the address, adjust the map pin. Drag the red pin to the exact spot on the map, zooming in to place it right at your entrance or the point customers should navigate to. Make sure the pin and the typed address match closely. This helps prevent confusion in maps and keeps your page consistent across platforms. When everything looks correct, click Save. Give it a moment to process, then refresh your page and check the About section to confirm the new location appears. If you don't see the change right away, wait a few minutes and try again. That's it. Your Facebook page location is updated and ready for visitors to find you.